there, and welcome to Crazy Gamers Models. I am the Crazy Gamer, and I would just like to introduce you to my channel. I build scale models like mostly German tanks, Panthers, and Tigers. I'm working on some aircraft in the future. I used to play a bunch of one-player solo playing games, unable to do that at this time, so I enjoyed modeling. I modeled with Warhammer for many years and unable to participate in the games, so I wanted something to do that was a little more long-term on a project, so I could really just sink my teeth into it. So I started up about 2 years ago with the scale modeling. Built this Berg Panther that I've taken apart and stripped and done many different techniques to. But I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know what my channel was about. On Mondays, I do a channel update. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I do tool reviews and kit reviews. And on Fridays, I do a week in review, basically what was on the table, what's coming up in future videos. And on Saturday and Sunday are my project builds. So whatever projects, I normally have 2 projects running that I do video logs on, and you'll get those, one on Saturday and one on Sunday. And then on Wednesdays is my building techniques days. So I will do a video on building techniques. Now I want to reiterate, I am not an expert builder on models. I am not an expert painter on models. I'm not even a very good painter, but I have an engineering background, and I believe I have something to offer to people who are building the models. On the painting aspect, I'm learning, and if you want to participate in joining me in that journey, I appreciate it. And hopefully I can get better and produce a better product. And I'm mostly into the actual building of the models themselves. That said, I do have a Patreon page. You can visit the link in the description of this video, or the link in the description of all my videos. I do giveaways on my channel. It's mostly for Warhammer stuff, or like model tool grab bag giveaways, where you'll receive like a model tool that I use a lot of. And on Patreon, you'll see the rewards for that. Also, commenting, sharing, liking the videos will get you entries into the drawings for these giveaways. That's it. That's all I wanted to explain to you, this short little intro video to what my channel's about. So, as I said, I am the Crazy Gamer. This is Crazy Gamer Models. You guys have a fantastic day.